Ever wondered if you can splash out on PlayStation goodies with that shiny Apple gift card? Let's find out. Here's the deal. Apple gift cards are fantastic for Apple products and services. Think apps, music on Apple Music, iCloud storage, or even that new Apple Arcade game. They're specifically tied to the Apple ecosystem. This means you cannot directly use your Apple gift card to buy games, subscriptions, or anything else on the PlayStation Network or the PlayStation Store. Trying to input an Apple gift card code directly into your PlayStation account will result in an error. They're simply not compatible for direct purchases. But don't despair. There's a clever workaround if you're set on using your Apple gift card for PlayStation purchases. The key is to use your Apple gift card to buy a prepaid PlayStation gift card from a retailer that accepts Apple Pay. Here's how it works. First, load your Apple gift card balance onto your Apple ID. Then, visit a physical store like an electronics retailer or a supermarket that sells PlayStation gift cards. When you're ready to pay for the PlayStation gift card, simply use your iPhone or Apple Watch to make the purchase via Apple Pay. Your redeemed Apple gift card balance will cover the cost. Once you've got your physical or digital PlayStation gift card, you can then redeem that code on your PlayStation account to fund your wallet and snag those PlayStation games and content you've been eyeing. So, while not a direct route, you can definitely leverage your Apple gift card to get that PlayStation credit. Happy gaming!